Good afternoon, everyone. Today I will be your reporter number one. And our problem is, Irene is a bookkeeper in Pasig City. She has a monthly salary of 30,000. She worked 22 days with no overtime but received 1,500 as allowance. Her company uses the standard rate SSS is 5%, PhilHealth is 2.5%, and Pag-ibig is 2%. The given is monthly salary is 30,000 pesos and 22 days with no overtime. The rice allowance is 1,500 and the contribution is SSS is 5%, PhilHealth is 2.5%, and Pag-ibig is 2%. Compute daily and hourly rates. To get the daily rates, the monthly income divided by 22 days with no overtime. So 30,000 divided by 22 is 1,363 pesos and 64 centavos. So the formula in hourly rate is the daily rate divided by 8 hours. So 1,360.60 centavos divided by 8 is 170 pesos and 46 centavos. The next one is calculate mandatory contributions. The SSS is 5%, so the monthly income is 30,000. So we multiply it by 0.05 in decimal. So 30,000 times 0.005 is 1,500 pesos. The next one is PhilHealth, which is 2.5%. So the monthly income times the decimal of 2.5% is which is 0.025. So multiply it by monthly income 30,000 times 0.025 is equal to 750 pesos. The next one is Pag-ibig. 30,000 times 0.02 is equal to 600 pesos. And the total contribution is 1,500, which is SSS, and 750 pesos is PhilHealth, and 600 pesos in Pag-ibig. The total contribution is 2,850 pesos. The next question is determine gross pay and taxable income. To get gross pay, the monthly salary is plus allowance. So the monthly salary is 30,000 plus the allowance, which is 1,500, is equal to 31,500. The taxable income is 30,000 only because the allowance is excluded in the tax. So the next question is compute withholding tax according to train law. So I searched the train law in 2025 in 20,833 to 33,330 pesos, 20% excess tax over. So the monthly salary is 30,000 minus 20,833 equal to 9,167 pesos. So the excess is 9,167 pesos. So times lang natin siya sa 20% because of the drain law in 2025. So the answer is 2,833 pesos and 40 centavos. The next question is compute total deduction and net. To get total deduction, mandatory contribution, that's so the mandatory contribution is 2,850 pesos plus the tax is 1,833.40 centavos is equal to 4,683 pesos and 40 centavos. So next the net pay. To get the net pay, the gross pay minus the deduction. So the gross pay is 31,500 minus 4,683 and 40 centavos is equal to 26,860 pesos and 60 centavos. My final answer is the daily rate is 1,360 pesos and 60 centavos. The hourly rate is 170 pesos and 46 centavos. The SSS is 1,500 pesos. The PhilHealth is 750 pesos. The Pag-ibig is 600 pesos. pay is 31,500 pesos. The taxable income is 30,000 pesos, and the withholding tax is 1,836